Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set the service interval on a 2018 Kia Sportage. But before I do that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, leave a comment and I'll reply right back to you. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to want to use this menu button to kind of toggle. You kind of press it and it'll start to go through like the different screens. You keep pressing it, it'll come to service interval. And you press OK. And then you can choose like the one that you want. So click down, use the down arrow, and click OK. Then you can set, once it's on there, you can use OK to kind of set the miles. So right now, I'm going to set it to 7,200 because I did the oil change a little while ago with a Mobile One, and I put a couple hundred miles on the car. So right now I set it to 7,200 miles. So in 7,200 miles, it'll remind me to do another oil change. So it's pretty easy. You basically just use the menu like I showed you. You kind of use the up and down the navigate, and it'll change like right here. So kind of a quick video to help you out of a jam. Hope this helps you out. I got a lot of great videos on my channel that show you how to do all kinds of stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. If you have a question or a comment, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.